Have you ever dreamed of making money while sitting at home, working on your own time, choosing your own projects, and not having to answer to a boss? Have you ever looked at people online who earn a full-time income just by using their phone or laptop and thought, how do they even do it? What's the secret? Why can't I do that too? You scroll through videos, see others making money on YouTube, freelancing, selling things, or giving advice, and deep down, you wonder if you missed your chance. But what if I told you that growing your online income is not magic, not luck, and not something only a few can do? What if the only thing stopping you from building your income step by step is the belief that you can't? The truth is, anyone can grow online income, even if you're starting from zero, even if you don't have skills yet, even if you failed before. The only difference between those who succeed and those who stay stuck is action. Small actions. Repeated actions. Steps taken every day, no matter how slow. You don't have to know everything. You just have to start. Many people want fast success, quick cash, instant results. But real growth doesn't happen fast. It happens step by step, one choice at a time. So let's go there together. Let's start with the most honest problem. Maybe you're working a job you don't love, maybe you're unemployed, or maybe your income isn't enough to cover your bills. You feel stuck, you feel pressure, you feel lost. You want more, but you don't know how. That's the truth for so many people today. You see others living their dream life, traveling, working from anywhere, doing what they love, and you're still trying to figure out how to make an extra $100 online. It feels unfair, but it's not too late. You haven't missed your chance. In fact, right now is the best time to grow your online income. The internet is full of opportunities, and most of them are free to start. The real question is, are you ready to stop scrolling and start building? It all begins with one decision to learn. Learning is the first step. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars for a course. You just need your time, your focus, and a strong desire to grow. First, choose one skill. Don't try to do everything. Pick one thing that feels interesting to you. It can be writing, video editing, graphic design, social media managing, voiceovers, coding, teaching, or even selling products. Then find free resources online to learn it. YouTube free courses, blogs, tutorials, everything you need is already out there. Spend 1 hour every day learning. And in 30 days you'll know more than 90% of people. Then start practicing. Practice even if you're not perfect. Practice even if no one is watching. Practice until it feels natural. After practice comes action. Take what you've learned and offer it to others. Go to freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or join Facebook groups where people are looking for help. Make a profile, show your skill, offer a service. At first you may earn just a little, but don't stop. Each client teaches you something. Each job builds your confidence. Each review brings more trust. Slowly, your small income becomes steady income. And as you grow, you can increase your prices, get better clients, and build a strong online presence. You can also create content, share your journey, and help others who are just starting. This opens new doors, sponsorships, coaching, affiliate marketing, digital products, and more. The steps are simple, but staying consistent is hard. That's why many people quit. But the ones who keep going, they win. They turn small skills into big businesses. They go from making $10 to $100, then $1,000, then more. Not by luck. By steps. Step by step. Growth is not about being perfect. It's about not giving up. If you stay in the game, you will grow. And here's something powerful. When you grow your income, you grow your mindset. You feel stronger. You feel proud. You feel free. Money doesn't buy happiness, but earning it in your own way gives you confidence. It tells you that you are capable, you are valuable, you are smart. And the best part, you don't have to wait for anyone's permission. You can start today, right now, with what you have. Your phone, your internet, your time. That's all you need. Build a simple routine. 1 hour of learning, 1 hour of practicing, 1 hour of doing. 3 hours a day can change your life, and if you can only give 1 hour, give it your all. Every small effort adds up. Every single day counts. No effort is wasted. And remember, you are not alone. Every successful person once started with zero. They didn't have all the answers, but they believed. They tried, they failed, they learned, they grew, and so will you. Stay patient, stay hungry, stay kind to yourself. Some days will be hard, you'll feel like quitting, but that's when you grow the most. Keep your vision clear. Remind yourself why you started. Maybe you want to help your family, pay your bills, live your dream, or prove to yourself that you can. Whatever your reason, hold it close. Let it push you forward. Let it be your fire. Let it be your light. Because when you believe in your dream, it becomes real. Not in one day, but day by day, step by step. And one day you'll look back and thank yourself for not giving up. So if you're still watching this, know this: you have what it takes. Your future is not written. You're writing it now, with every decision you make. The life lesson is this: money earned from your own hands brings not just freedom, but power. Power to choose, power to grow, power to create your own path. And the moral is simple: the road to success is built one step at a time. Don't wait, don't wish, work, build, believe, and grow. If this touched your heart, if this gave you hope, then join our family on how to grow. Like this video if you believe your dream is worth chasing. Subscribe so you never miss another step on your journey. And comment below what your first step will be. Together we don't just watch others grow, we grow ourselves. Let's take this step. Let's build something great. Let's grow together.